Hi everyone, so today I'm going to demonstrate how to assemble and install the treadmill without the air puff, and we also have a video that includes the air puff. So this is the treadmill and the control box. When you receive the treadmill, you will get all 5 lane dividers. You simply unwrap them and put them on top. You can see here this wedge, this is what goes above the shot grid, and you just put them on top like that and you can open them. Underneath we have 2 motor cables connected to the motor. You connect these to the control box here and here. This grey shot cable, you plug it into the back where the shot grids are. Underneath the shot grids is a feces tray. You simply slide this in underneath. And then finally you have a power cable here that you plug into the mains. These are the cables and the installation instructions you need to just run the treadmill. And then when you're ready to export your data, you've got this connector here that connects here. And on the other end of that is a USB to plug into your computer.